Did you know the highest price ever paid for a diamond was over $71 million?
With that kind of money, you could buy more than 14 Rolls-Royce Phantoms.
But what makes a diamond a symbol of eternity isn't just the price tag. With a unique crystal structure and near unbreakable hardness, diamonds are incredibly tough.
They were formed billions of years ago, deep underground, under the most extreme conditions nature can create.
Molten rock cools and crystallizes over eons into tiny, sparkling stones.
In this video, we'll explore the incredible journey of this special stone, from ordinary carbon atoms to the sparkling gem on your finger.
Deep beneath Earth's crust, molten rock reaches up to 10,000 degrees Celsius for extreme pressure here carbon into diamonds.
Under immense pressure, carbon atoms lock together into the tight crystal pattern we call a diamond.
If even one factor is missing, carbon becomes graphite, the soft material found in pencil cores. Powerful volcanic eruptions carried diamonds from deep within the mantle to the surface through narrow kimberlite pipes.
Diamonds form deep within the mantle and travel upward through volcanic channels known as kimberlite pipes.
Beneath these quiet African plains lies a secret, some of the richest diamond deposits on Earth.
Inside this ancient volcanic rock, the first traces of diamond begin to appear.
Now that we know where they come from, how do we find them?
Using satellite imaging and magnetic surveys, scientists can locate ancient volcanic pipes that may contain diamonds.
Once potential sites are identified, field teams collect soil and rock samples to confirm the presence of diamond-bearing kimberlite.
With confirmed deposits, mining teams begin open-pit excavation, carving the earth layer by layer to reach diamond-bearing rock.
Controlled blasting breaks through layers of hard rock, allowing access to the diamond-rich kimberlite below. Controlled blasting breaks through layers of hard rock, allowing access to the diamond-rich kimberlite below.
The crushed rock is washed clean of dust and clay, leaving only the heavy minerals where diamonds might be hiding.
In dense media separation, crushed rock is mixed with a heavy liquid, diamonds sink, while lighter material floats away. Advanced X-ray scanners spot each diamond by its unique glow clue, and air jets separate them in a fraction of a second.
Each recovered diamond is carefully inspected by hand, every flaw, color, and reflection recorded before grading. Each diamond is graded by the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, and carat quality, ensuring every stone meets precise global standards. Master jewelers hand-set each certified diamond, ensuring perfect alignment, polish, and symmetry before it reaches the showroom. Each finished diamond piece is carefully presented, reflecting years of craftsmanship, precision, and timeless beauty. Each certified diamond receives a microscopic laser engraving, a unique ID that verified its authenticity for life.
Today, the world's most extraordinary diamonds rest behind glass, silent witnesses to billions of years.
At exclusive auctions around the world, the rarest diamonds can command prices higher than entire skyscrapers.
Today, the world's most extraordinary diamonds rest behind glass, silent witnesses to billions of years.
In parts of Africa, diamonds are still mined by hand. A day's work in the mud may earn less than a single drop of water on a gem's surface. In regions torn by war, uncut diamonds often become currency, traded for weapons, fuel, and control.
Profits. In 2003, the world united to trace every diamond's origin, giving birth to the Kimberley process.
Today, every diamond tells its own story.
Tracked, verified, and responsibly sourced from mine to market.
The future of diamonds isn't just about brilliance. It's about responsibility, innovation, and a planet that still shines.